So I can't figure out my phone on how to switch things around since I had a new screen replaced this last week. So it's gonna be a little funky on this video. This is Bandit. It's our first farm cat. I'm Jami Gordon, and thanks for joining today. We are starting demo week. I am doing this video for a couple reasons. First and foremost, it really is for my family to look back on and remember our little journey. And then second is for educational purposes. I'm going to be sharing little things along the way, and I'm sure I'm going to learn a thing or two as well. So, oh, look at her. She's getting a drink. Isn't she so cute? Hey, Bandit. You have to see her kitty. She is just a cutie pie. Okay, so we are going to head in. Look at our gorgeous door. Actually, I showed a house like about a week ago that had this same door. Never seen one like this. Oh gosh. Yes, we are live. That's my dog. That's Gus. Okay, so we are in. This is the mess we're living in right now. All the kids that have come and seen the house have said it looks like an old person's house, which it does. So this eventually is going to be 2 different bedrooms, but right now it's a big open area. I'm going to take you back here. Hopefully there's not too much barking going on. We're going to start with the only bathroom that we have. We went from 3 bathrooms to 1. Look at that fancy lighting. Got some wallpaper to take down. Got a nice big shower. We've actually enjoyed this shower. It's updated. And oh, I don't know if you can see. I actually have a hummingbird out here. We have a little nest out here, like kind of right there. So I'm going to turn around here. Oh, one of my favorite features, my husband makes fun of me, I have a laundry chute. How cool is that? Okay. Kitchen's over there. Master bedroom. It's actually quite large for an older home. A couple windows. I actually kind of like these curtains. I don't know about you, but I think they're kind of pretty. Got a large closet. Our stuff is like in bags because we're going to be taking it out pretty soon. I want to show you something that we discovered. And this is always fun, something fun to discover because you just never know what's under that carpet. But look at, we have hardwood. And then another thing that we just found out was we didn't realize that, you see that there's 2 different hardwoods under here. But this one back here has board nailed down to it, so we don't know what to expect there. Okay, kitchen. Just took down the chair rail last night. And here is the attic. We're not going to look up there yet because it's going to be a project in itself. So we call this our one butt kitchen because you can't get more than 1 butt in here. This little window. Look out there, my dinner bell. One of my favorite rooms by far is this is the new addition. Not like new, but like 80s new. But look at that fun window. This is where we're eating all our meals right now. Got a whole box of wine for the renovation. And last but not least is a room that it was kind of a mystery room at first, but it used to be a bedroom. So I'm gonna just kind of show you out back here. Nice backyard. We have some cleanup to do. Quite a bit of cleanup to do. Got our swing over. Where's the swing? Oh, goodness. Just swing back here. Lots of stuff to burn. But this is our renovation project. So I hope that you enjoy over the next few weeks. Our goal is to get this done in 2 months. I've had several people kind of look at me like, you're really going to get that done? Well, I kind of think we will. Our first step is to paint the beautiful walls. We got some spots here to clean up. We're going to be doing texturing all the walls and then ripping out all the carpet and doing new flooring and seeing what we can do with those wood floors and building some walls. So thanks for joining. Looking forward to taking you on this adventure with us. I hope you have a blessed week.